Ready, set, go. Walking on the road, niggas want smoke. Got my pack of bowl, how you still?
We on that rim, chat.
Got it out the mud, you couldn't get your own. Smoking on the best, counting up a check. Probably fuck a girl, finna be your ex. Lifting all these weights, watch me do the flex. No, I ain't the best, but I'm coming for next. I got what you need if you coming correct. I ain't taking shots.
What y'all talking about?
I was trapping in school for the rest of my test.
Oh, and one? Oh my God.
Get in the cheese, never right. In the night, but
Tip.
they say they don't smoke, but they know where we at. Shoot like Damien, boys got ranks. Put the 100 rings like blue chains.
And one!
No old hoes, only new things. When you looking down, I know the shit.
Game!
When I come around, you know that we loud. Feeling like pocket laws and me now. Trying to be the best that I can be now. I be coolin', just minding my business. Niggas hate cause I didn't.
Oh my God! Hey, what up, Big Belly gang? Today we got the park takeover. Me and CollegeBoy doing this. It's gonna be fun. We got a dunk contest. We got a 2-ball contest. We got a lot of competition in the building. They're already pulling up early. It's like 11:30, so 30 minutes early pulling up. Man, rock with us, man. Let's get it.
Oh! I ain't seen it.
Get you one. Oh!
Don't tell me what the fuck to do. How's that, pal? You said don't talk to people who you don't know. I'm talking to what the fuck I want to know. Use your fucking head if you know how. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
I got hit too.
You're not that guy.
Class.
Through the north side of town, I be shutting shit down. Everybody know me, I'm working. Tryna ride my wave, be surfing. Probably got a bad bitch working. Throwing that ass is perfect. Curving, ain't working. Tryna be mad, little nigga, better get on your purpose. Yeah, top 5, top 5, top 5. I'm that guy, that guy, that guy. I'm top 5, top 5, top 5.
That's tough.
Yeah. I'm that guy.
Right side. Oh, finish that. Oh, good fucking pass, boy. His name DJ, y'all. That's DJ, chat. That shit was all net. I airballed my first 2. Ni hao. It's a man child. Oh, you going 2. Knock down. Chino. His name Cash, chat. Chat, that was the Chino boys. First game. How you feeling, man, after being reunited with the Chino boys?
It's a lot. It's a lot to take in. Pause. Whoa.
Get him out of here. Get him out. Technical foul. Oh, man, 1? Oh my God. That shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That's fucking filthy. Windmill.
Top 5. That guy. Top 5, yeah. I'm that guy.
He nice.
Yeah.
Tough. What's that? We got 6? Hey, chat, y'all gonna see that shit? I don't know. I'm gonna let chat.
They want a young nigga that do too much.
We on that rim, chat. Damn, I look good in that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie.
He really just dunked on folks off of ooh. Crazy.
Hey, shout out Chino boys. Shout out Chef. Oh shit, there go that nigga right there though. Come on, let's pan the camera on that nigga over there.
I'm stuffing the racks in the jeans. She want a young nigga that do too much. Red paint on the whip too clean. They wanna see
why the fuck y'all not clapping? Hey, why y'all not clapping? Y'all see you here, nigga?
I want you to look too much. You hating on a nigga that do too much.
Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga? That's KD.
see a young nigga do too much.
Coming to play for the Wolves, nigga.
I see a young nigga do too much. Slut, going too fast. Got
Tough.
my foot on the gas, you know I be doing too much. Coming
Corner
in
again.
first, bitch, I would
Hey,
never be
oh, shit.
last. Chop off the roof too much. Slow my ass down, cause the jacks on my ass, you know they be doing too much. Niggas be doing too much. Got caught with a pipe and only do too much. Snitching ass niggas, my niggas don't rock with that shit. Fuck around and get popped in your shit. She asked for the time to see I can buy her a bag if she give up the twat in this bitch. I won't spend.
Hey, DJ, be ready to shoot this bitch, gang.
Okay, 1-5 in the back and they hiding this bitch, aiming all the red dots at your
Oh
shit.
my
Switch up the
fucking
name,
God.
I got tired of 2K, y'all niggas was thinking
Hey,
that shit
DJ,
was a
you gotta
game.
cut.
It's gonna
He
come
duck-
back when the timing is right. It's the reason I got a pot on my name. I got some shit that don't
This
come
weak-
with a name. It
weak
gets stuck
ass
in your
win.
chest, won't be breathing
Weak
the
ass win.
same.
I wouldn't be
Let me
missing
turn
none of
back
that
to
shit.
the old me
Fuck.
niggas be acting like they didn't know me. Slut. I'm stuffing the racks in the jeans. She want a young nigga that do too much. Red paint on the whip too clean. They wanna see a young nigga do too much. Breaking necks and they look real mean. They see a young nigga that do too much. I don't want you to look too much. You hating on a nigga that do too much.
Fuck.
They wanna see a young nigga do too much. Wanna see a young nigga do too much.
Look, I'm trying to get the fuck off. I went to, what you mean, for high school or what? I went to Henry. I went to Riverland. And I play overseas now. Yeah, twos and ones. Solo. Good take, Cash. Good take, Cash. Left. Good finish. Ball. Oh, good D.
Oh my God.
I mean, maybe. Off the glass. Fuck Alonzo Harmon. Hey, Chef, don't take this out. I beat Zoe at least 200 times in my life. You got that whole side? Hey!
Oh yeah, on his head.
Hey, Chef. Look at me, Chef.
Rello. I'm too laid back, I can't sit up. Too much motion, I can't pick up.
Check the shorts. Knockdown. Oh, shit. You gonna cut that out. A Christian Kelly, chat. These niggas fouling, knock my mic off, chat. Hey, chat, these niggas fouling, bro. My old teammate guarding me right now, he fucking sucks. A piece of what, nigga? Tommy be hooping, bro. Watch your back, you good. You good right now. Good fucking shot. Hey, say me I can't guard a fucking doorknob. Now come. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up? Come on, D up. Cut it. Oh,
Back.
I got you. Boom! I've been in that gym, chef. I hit 2 twos, that's 4. I had 2 twos. I have 2 twos. That's 4. I have 2 twos.
You have 2 twos?
Yeah.
That's 6. No,
6.
I counted 3 threes already. 2, 4, 6. What is
He hit a 2.
2?
He hit a 2.
8.
That's 6.
3 times 2 is 8. Nigga, I'm not doing math while we hooping, nigga. We got 8.
No, you don't. You got 6.
We either got 6 or 7 for real. 6 or 7. 8-6? I'm believing him. Hey, cameraman said 8-6. Cameraman said 8-6.
Who got last on
Or 7-6.
7. You got 1. That's 7.
All right, so 2, 2, 2, 1. 7? I'll do a 7. And Tommy got a layup, right? Yeah, that's 8. Yeah, that's 8. Yeah.
Get up, get up. Get up, Chris.
Tip, tip.
It's straight.
Foul. And one!
Oh, the foul.
Hey, we playing and ones around this bitch. I've been in the weight room for a reason. Fuck you talking about. I've been in that weight room for a reason. And one, nigga. Game. 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 I've been in that weight room for a reason. Game. Fuck, nigga.
I'm first place and they hating on my trophies. From the sideline, yeah, they got flow seats. Say they better well, they gon' have to show me. Until then, watch me lift up these trophies. First place and they hating on my trophies. From the sideline, way up in the nosebleeds. Think they better well, they gon' have to show me. Until then, watch me lift up these trophies. I had to get it out the mud. Bunch of sweat, tears, and blood. They wanna get dirty, now they holding a grudge. That don't move me, them statues ran out, I ain't budge. You niggas funny like Doug. I remember laying on the floor like a rug, now it's elegance. And the bed got a memory like an elephant. And the bear is the rug, I be on my grizzly. So I can ball like John Morant from the Grizzlies. So all that shit miss me. It's just a whole different league. I'm a giant, them cubs playing at Wrigley's. And they striking out. I should play hockey.
That's crazy.
The ice make it look like it's lightning out. I swear life more exciting now. And I just got champagne everywhere, bitch, wipe me down. I'm first place and they hating on my trophies. From the sideline, yeah, they got flow seats. Think they better well, they gon' have to show me. Until then, watch me lift up these trophies. First place and they hating on my trophies. From the sideline, way up in the nosebleeds. Think they better well, they gon' have to show me. Until then, watch me lift up these trophies. I be hugged up with my trophies. I be kissing on my trophies.
Go on Google and search that motherfucker. I got a real strap.
Pictures with my trophies.
Indoor, outdoor, I don't give no fuck.
When you win, you get trophies. And I gotta be the MVP. The way these sucker niggas envy me. I just seen a shot, so I took it all N-E-T. And you was just booing, keep that same energy. Cause it make the win sweeter. My chicks, they be divas, so I don't really need a male cheerleader. Something for the taking, I'm the Steel's leader. Still killing these niggas, my jersey say Reaper. And it's #1. Man, the last race car was stupid, but I'm about to cop a dumber one. Cause I run it up, them boys is runner-up, so they not fucking with me.
Rated 3! I've never seen that. That was awesome.
Like $30. It's lunch money.
It's lunch money.
If you grown picking up dollar bills, you crazy. That's real bread.
When I make threes, it don't do that shit. I swear my shit don't do that. What the fuck?
Hey, this nigga's got back up. These niggas got special effects, bro. Hey.
That game? No way.
Hey, hold on, y'all. Hey, this nigga Chef just made a 3-gang and money came out the sky. And mind you, we in the middle of fucking, we just in the middle.
It was on Zap too. That's tough.
Hey, we gonna get that get back, Zap. Hey, hold on. Hey, next week, don't keep they stats. Do all that shit in reverse. -8 points. He just game breaking our goofy ass.
Somebody help Savion get up. Hell no.
He said I got cold in my tooth.
Pop a tall ass right there.
Hey, check up. Whatever shot y'all want. Savion down here. Shut the fuck
Zo.
Get off me. Fuck my big toe. Yeah. Get off me. Oh yeah, on his head.
Hey, chat. Hey, chat. I let him do it, chat. Chat. I let him do it, chat. Chat. Listen. Listen. Listen.
I need that. Let me
Listen.
no fucking way.
Listen.
Hey, that's the first clip. Oh my God.
Our takeover was a success. We just went stupid in this bitch, made it rain. But did my guy Zoe dunk on Rel or what? Did he?
Come on, man.
That shit was
Hey,
crazy.
I'm only gonna get better, man. We going up.
Right?
Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Turn my
For
boy
sure.
up.
Like,
We got
comment,
more
subscribe.
content coming soon, man.
Always. Check it out, y'all. We appreciate the love. Let's get